Ah, Friends, today I will tell about the vaccination policy by the government. Vaccination policy by the government for the North India is very funny. What vaccine should you give to your baby? If affordable, if possible, give all the vaccines to the baby. I have taken all vaccine for my child. What are the vaccines given by the government? Government gives one molecule rotavirus, which gives 30% 35% immunity. In private, we give 5 molecule rotavirus vaccine. 5 molecule rotavirus vaccine covers approximately 60 to 80% of the rotavirus strain. Now, pneumonia, Haryana government and Himachal government gives the best pneumonia. 13 molecule, approximately 3800 to 4000 rupees. Costly, very important, very good vaccine they give. But Punjab government, Chandigarh government, they don't give pneumococcal vaccine, pneumonia vaccine, PCV, what we call, they don't give. That you need to ask these government why they are not able to give it. They have enough and more money to spend on nonsense things. And another vaccine which is not given, one is the government gives a low quality rotavirus vaccine and a high quality pneumonia. This is stupidity. Even if you give a 9 molecule pneumonia vaccine, it's okay. And invest a bit more on the 5 molecule rotavirus vaccine. That is smartness. Rotavirus is most dangerous disease. 20% of the total under 5 mortality, death of under 5, less than 5-year-old child's death, that is mortality. 20% of that is caused by rotavirus and other diarrheas, majority of them rotavirus. And similarly, 20% pneumonia causes the death of under 5 children. So both are equally dangerous, diarrhea and pneumonia. But the percentage of pneumonia caused by pneumococcal vaccine is much less compared to the viral pneumonias like coronavirus. More than that is there is a respiratory syncytial virus. That is also very dangerous. Influenza virus, we have vaccine for that. So ideally, if I would have been the health department, something, I would have recommended one of the topmost rotavirus vaccine instead of going for a very cheap rotavirus vaccine and a very costly pneumonia vaccine, whatever it is. And it is not given by every state. That is the issue. Rotavirus now every state is giving. Pneumonia only about 8 state or something. Not available in Chandigarh and Punjab. No, another vaccine which is not available is the influenza vaccine. Influenza is much more dangerous than corona. There are about approximately every year 40-50,000 people are dying due to influenza, and even more. Sometimes there is huge outbreaks of influenza vaccine. What I recommend is at least in the first 2 years you can take influenza vaccine. Up to 8 years, the WHO, nobody believes in WHO now, but the majority of the senior doctors even in India recommend less than 8 years everybody to take every yearly. But as far as my clinic is concerned, we make the immunity of the children so strong that in the first 2 years I personally recommend influenza vaccine, and even in the second year only for children who are not able to reach that standard of immunity. If it is an asthma case or a recurrent infection which is moderate and severe, then I recommend every yearly. We don't have any case of asthma in my clinic. So that is about influenza vaccine. So 3 vaccine I have covered. Rotavirus, government gives a bit substandard one. I would have hoped for a better vaccine. And second we have covered is pneumococcal vaccine, which government gives good but not available everywhere. Third one is influenza vaccine, which government doesn't give at all in any place. Fourth is Japanese encephalitis vaccine. Like rubella has a cross protection power to coronavirus. So there is a 30% similarity between the shape of rubella and corona. So they look similar. So if you take MMR, then you will get a bit more protection against a severe disease of coronavirus. Likewise, the Japanese encephalitis causing virus has a similarity with dengue fever virus. Similarity, look alike. So if you take the Japanese encephalitis vaccine, you will be protected against Japanese encephalitis and also against severe cases of dengue fever. That you can get protection. But Japanese encephalitis vaccine is given only in certain places, like Uttar Pradesh. There also people don't take it, and in Kerala also some places they will give it. Not everywhere. Okay, that is the issue. If we have affordable, it is only 800,000 rupee vaccine. Small children you can take it. At least you will get protection against severe dengue cases. And third, no Japanese encephalitis. Fourth vaccine, MMR is not available. I told it will MMR will protect against corona, severe corona it will protect. MMR is not available. Measles and rubella available in government, but mumps they don't give. So measles, mumps, rubella is not available. Measles and rubella is available. Now what is mumps? Mumps is a dangerous infection which causes swelling of the parotid gland and many other glands. It can cause minimal damage to the pancreas as well as to the genital organs. In children it is less. In adults they can cause severe damage to the genital organs, ovaries and testes, which will cause infertility. Now infertility is something which government would like everyone to have because people are producing lot of babies. In corona everyone is under lockdown. They have only one pastime, be with the wife and enjoy and create babies. So in India the government want, I feel this is personal opinion, I feel they want no necessity of moms. They feel the people have enough capability to produce 10 babies, 20 babies, 30 babies. So it is better to have these people to be infertile. That might be only reason by which the government is not giving moms. I would recommend anybody who is already knowledgeable and educated and their children are going to produce only 1 or 2 babies, they take moms. Why do you want to damage your pancreas as well as cause infertility in your children if mumps happens later on in life? So it's important to get MMR, which is not provided by government. Another vaccine, varicella vaccine or chickenpox vaccine. Varicella or chickenpox vaccine is not provided by government. It is because, to be frank, it is not a very life-saving vaccine. Just like mumps, it will cause damage to the skin and there will be some damage inside, especially after 13 years. Before 13 years, people here in North India tell Mata aa gaya, Mata chala jayenge. It is a mild infection, especially in North India. People ignore this disease. But the issue is, recently because of the low immunity of children and because of higher complications, severity is increasing, and if the baby get infection during the exam time, the examiner won't allow the baby to go and write the exam. You will have to be in isolation at home because it is a very spreadable disease. At that point of time, there is a high chance that babies, especially in the 10th standard, they can, it is during February and March, and that time this disease is common. So children can lose their exams. We have personally seen 2-3 cases in which an interview was lost, a flight to abroad was lost, lot of things. So it's a cosmetic, especially in a girl child. If there is scar of chickenpox, it will be cosmetic. So it's a cosmetic vaccine. If you can afford it, you can take it. Another thing which is not, now these are 5 vaccines. So rotavirus low quality, pneumonia not everywhere available, Japanese encephalitis, influenza, and chickenpox and MMR. Oh, MMR also available. 6 vaccines. The 7th one is typhoid and 8th one is hepatitis A. And 9th one is rabies. If there are dogs in the family, the dog and child need to be immunized. So that you can, if you want, if there is a lot of street dogs in your area, you can take it. Okay? That is optional. Now regarding hepatitis A, it is very dangerous. Even my brother has got it. Very dangerous. Now people are not going out and taking Golgappe. Golgappe is water ball with spicy water ball. It is a spicy water ball available in the local vendors of India, which the Chandigarh administration have taken the vendors and thrown them away in some corner, and due to lockdown nobody is going out and purchasing and eating it. It contains a lot of typhoid and hepatitis A if the cleanliness is not proper. street food. So if you can afford, you need to take typhoid and hepatitis A, because these are dangerous, so dangerous that you will be bedridden for 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. That will be 1 month salary. You will be lost. You can't go to anywhere, and you can't do anything. And in addition to that, even the blood test of this vaccine is of this disease. If you do the blood test, that blood test is much more costlier than the vaccine. So since it is endemic to India, in India everybody gets it. So you need to take this vaccine. So I will summarize the 8 disease, approximately something, which is not given by the government. Rotavirus, low quality. Pneumonia vaccine, not every state. Japanese encephalitis, not every state. Influenza vaccine, absolutely not at all. MMR is not given, only MR is given. Typhoid vaccine, hepatitis A is not given. So these are the things which is not given. And chickenpox. And chickenpox is also not given. So 8. And optional is rabies vaccine. That is optional. So I hope if you can afford, you can go and take these vaccines. Because people are only thinking about corona. In addition to corona, you can protect many other vaccines. Now, finally, for females, I forgot about females. We need to appreciate the females. Females more than 9 years and less than 45 years, they must take cervical cancer vaccine. This is one of the topmost death preventable vaccine. Whatever vaccine I have told right now, they can prevent a certain amount of death. This is the most death preventable vaccine, because if you take the vaccine, the number of death prevented is very high to any female. Even post pregnancy, during the lactation, they need to take the cervical cancer vaccine. These are a bit costly vaccines, but you can save life, you can be stronger. You're investing on your body so that you can survive another 10 years, 20 years. You can survive. The more you survive, more you can earn. It's an investment. So I hope you like this video. You can share it. You can spread this knowledge to people, so that people, some people who are interested can get the benefit. Others who are surviving, everything is happening. It is earth is round, sun is round, everything is moving. Things will move. Life is there. Go. So lazy people, not interested people are not welcome. Anybody who want to strengthen their body, you can go and take the vaccines. This is not a substitute for not taking care of, not doing yoga, not taking good diet, not relaxing, meditating and chanting the holy names of God. These things are you need to do. Relaxation technique and other things, good sleep, everything you need to do. These are additional benefits. I hope you like it. Share, take care, have a good day.